Welcome back. Today we are gonna be cleaning this car. I'm about to get this Turo crunk back up. This is a car that we got. Remember, I don't know if you remember our other video. I'll put it up here in the description. I went and got this from the Sanford auction. It didn't have a cooling fan. We fixed the cooling fan and then the transmission went out, so we had to get a clutch put in the transmission. Not a nonsense with this car. We got it done. Finally got it on the road. So we fixing to put this on Turo, and I'm gonna be parking it right where the Jeep was. I just come over here to get it cleaned up. I'm about to clean it up and drop it off. So I'm taking you with. It already been detailed. Just gonna clean it off a little bit. Now we can hit that back. Gotta put the clutch on. Already clean. 2014 Ford Focus SE with the 2.0 engine in it. Notorious for it's notorious for the transmission problems, but we didn't find that out until after we got it. So, but we got past that little issue. Now we gotta make some money off of it. If we ain't making no money off of it, it don't make no sense. We have some glass on the back. Just want to get that off. Still got a minute 50 something left. I don't need it though. We better go over here and hit the vacuum up because I done been driving it, so it need to be kind of cleaned out a little bit. All right. So, well, yeah, I don't know if you heard me, but it's a 2014. It's kind of a basic model. I mean, it's got the power windows, power seats. No, it's not power seats. That's aftermarket. They didn't even put the backup cam in it, because when you put it on backup cam, the music go off and it just showed a blank screen. I looked in the back and it ain't no camera, so whoever put the aftermarket system in there, they didn't put no. It's got this little cigarette burn right here. But other than that, that shit's got down there. Nobody's smoking in here. Oh, that's weird. All right, so let me get out. Hit this vacuum up real quick. Man, it's hot and humid. Heat. That's all we need. Just a little touch up. Man, I'm in Florida, man. It's hot. I don't care where you at in Florida. I'm pretty sure it ain't much off from here, and it's hot. Like, as soon as you step out the door, and it ain't even like, the sun ain't even out like that. It's as soon as you step outside, it's instant sweat. Florida weather is crazy. All right, so I got it cleaned up. I gotta wait for a ride to take me, or to follow me to go drop this off over there to the spot where it's at. But we got this car for, I think we paid like $3,500 or like right at $4 grand after paying all of the fees. And then the transmission getting rebuilt cost like $1,800. The fan cost probably maybe $200. So we had like 2,000 in it. So we like at 6 grand invested. Well, it'll be live tomorrow after our onboarding call. I'll let you know what we end up like listing it for and how fast it goes. Remember, the Jeep in the first night, I think it booked for like 30 days already. It was booked. Hopefully this one do the same. Probably about a year, 6 months to a year, make a few grand out of it and then be able to sell it. Hopefully it maintain its value, be able to sell it around 8,500, something like that. Anywhere between 6 and 8 grand more than likely is what we'll probably be able to get out of it. I'll keep you updated on that. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed, if you like the video, you like the content, hit that thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, go on and subscribe to the channel. I don't know what you're waiting on. Fixing to go to Miami, so it's gonna be some real dope content. Hopefully I can get some really good content. I don't know what all I'm gonna be doing down there, but I'm gonna be doing some stuff down there and I'm gonna bring you with me. So hopefully I get some good content. The only way you're gonna be able to see it is if you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified when I drop more videos. And until next time, we're gonna just do a little piece.